Hey all, welcome back to Dia's Beauty Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here with a makeup review and I'll be reviewing these Sugar Cosmetics face palettes today. I have two of them. I start my review. Let me thank you for staying an active subscriber, and if you are not part of Dia's fam, please subscribe to my channel and also enable that bell notification button, so whenever I upload a video you'll get notified. And also follow me on Instagram, and thanks for staying tuned. So this is the face palette which I'll be reviewing. I will put the picture of the outer packaging. It's a black packaging with Sugar logo on it, and they have come up with these two face palettes. So you have these two options, face palette 01 and face palette 02, and this is how they look. They actually say these are, achieve jaw-dropping, no filter beauty looks that will set your Insta circle on fire with all this new Sugar contour face palette. And yes, so one is for lighter skin tone and one is for deeper skin tones. And let me show you how the packaging is. They come in this kind of cardboard packaging. You can see they're very beautiful. This is cardboard, so it is very lightweight to carry on. It actually is, I can't even feel the weight, so it is very easy to carry on when you're traveling, and it is very good. I mean, it's very sleek, so it fits in your bag easily. But again, all these shades come individually because it is face palette. They have you get each in each palette you get a blush, highlighter and bronzer. So this one is 01 Subtle Summit, and when you open the palette you have this pretty mirror, and this is really good size mirror where you can just touch up your makeup, or if you want to precise application of a blush, highlighter, or these three shades. Let me show you. They don't have shade names on the packaging, but you have shade names on the back side of actual packaging, which I said black packaging. I don't have it now at back side of that. But again, that's the downfall when brands do such invest in packaging. They don't put names here. I don't see any space constraint. They can actually write the names of these shades, because once you throw the outer packaging, at least they should have mentioned those names here at the back side. But that's okay anyways. Yeah, I mean, when you have two palettes, that's the only thing you feel like if you want to mention in any video, like if you're a blogger or if you want to mention it to somebody, you should know the shades. But again, I'll put that in the list or in the description box or somewhere here, so you can have a look at the shades from left to right. So this one is Top Topper. This is a cool toned brown bronzer, and then you have Champion, which is Champagne Gold highlighter, and then you have this Peach Pink, which is a soft peach pink blush. And in 02 these are the shades. You can see the shade difference, like this is the lighter skin tone palette, this is the darker skin tone palette. You can clearly see the difference in a bronzer, you can see the difference in the blush and the highlighter. So this 02 you get from left to right. You have this warm brown bronzer, which is Woody Wonder, and then Gold Glory, which is a golden bronze highlighter, and then you have Pink Pinnacle, which is deep rose blush. You can get these shades individually. You don't have to purchase this palette if you are really in love with one shade, like if you love only blush, so you can better buy only single blush rather than you get the complete palette. So this palette retails for $7.99, but most of the times you get 10% or 20% off on these products, like in Nykaa you get. So there you can actually get it as a bargain. But again, otherwise Sugar do come with sales, so you can also get them in sale. But I think the packaging is good, except the names are not displayed. And as I said, you have two different palettes for two different skin tones, like medium, fair to medium, and medium to dark. You can use this. I have got both with me, so I'll swatch both of them. I calculate the max. Each single blush or mini bronzer, they cost you around 399 rupees. If you calculate together, like 400, that is 1200. But if you buy this palette, you get this for $7.99, which is 800. So it's pretty much like you pay for 2 of these products and you get 1 free. So if you are looking for a blush or bronzer, then you can purchase this thing, so you can get a highlighter free with it. Or if you like highlighter and blush, you can purchase this one rather than individual ones, so you get this complete palette. I don't see the weight of these products anywhere on here. I'll research on the website and I'll see if I can find the weight of these products. But again, yes, let me swatch that for you. So the first one I'll be swatching is 01 Subtle Summit. I will actually swatch it, the bronzer, like the highlighter in this one, and also the blush. But again, this is more towards the fair to medium skin tone, so not all might match my skin tone, which is dusky skin tone. So you can see I really like the highlighter. The bronzer is okay. It's not really a bronzing shade, but again, if I build up, I might use it. Otherwise, I'll use it as an eyeshadow. The blush is pretty good, and it's actually blendable, easily blendable. You can blend it easily on your skin. Yeah, so you can see the blush is easily blendable, and these are really soft, powdery in nature. There's nothing much difficulty in blending them onto your skin. But those were the shades for 01 Subtle Summit. This one, 02 Vivid Victory. The bronzer is perfect for deeper skin tone, not deeper, maybe I would say a skin tone medium to, dusky to dark. Too deep complexion, then it might not suit you as a bronzer. But let me swatch that. Yeah, so these 3 are the shades. This is a bronzer which is very perfect bronzer for my skin tone, and this is a gold highlighter, and then the blush. I really like everything in this palette. I also have few of the individual shades from 02 Vivid Victory, because this matches my skin tone a lot. I can use every single product out of this, and you can pretty much see how much I have been using these products. And today I have the highlighter. This is the highlighter I have on my skin. You can see that beaming highlighter. I really like this highlighter from this 02 Vivid Victory. The highlighter from this is also good, but again, I think I normally use this highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes or to highlight my brow bone area, because it's like, kind of pale highlighter. But yes, I really love all the shades in this, and in this 01 Subtle Summit, I love the blush and also the bronzing shade, which you can use for multi-purpose. Coming to the way they perform, they are very smooth. They are pigmented. You don't need much time to blend it in. As you can see, it's very easy to blend in. The highlighter is very good. The blush is good. I've not experimented much with the bronzer because I'm not a person who bronzes all the time. But if you are learning, or if you want to, if you do bronzing quite often, I think these are the best way to get it. Other than that, if you are someone like, you only need one product out of this complete palette, like you only need blush, then I think it's better to buy only blush. But if you need more than one product and one item from this, like, if you need blush and highlighter, it better go and get this palette. That way you save money, and also you get an extra product. Like, you also get bronzer. You can use it as an eyeshadow base or as a bronzing, so it's up to you. But I really like them. It's quite nice, quite easy to take care of. I think I have been using them a lot. It's very, easy. Rather than carrying multiple products for blush, highlighter and bronzer when I'm traveling, I prefer to carry something like this, which is easy to take in. This is cardboard packaging, so there is no weight to it, and it's easy. And also you get this magnetic clasp, you can see, so it easily clips on. And I have traveled with this palette quite many times, so I never found anything like, any shade damage or anything broken. Only thing is, whenever you're using these products much, you can see there's a lot of fallout nearing that area. But if you clean it quite often, I think that's good. It will be good. So yes, that's the review of these products. I hope you like this video, and if you have already tried these products, or you have, what is your experience in Sugar Cosmetics, do let me know. I'm very glad and eager to look after your comments. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.